Welcome to my channel. 4 friends. Long time ago in a jungle lived 3 friends, a turtle, a crow and a mouse. They were very good friends. They always helped each other. One day they were sitting and talking. A deer walked up to them. Upon seeing the deer for the first time in the jungle, the turtle said, "You are a new being. I never seen you in this jungle before. I'm new to this jungle. The previous jungle in which I live, I had no friends. There I tried to be friends with other animals, but no one wanted to be my friend. So I left the jungle and ultimately reached here. So you are alone and you are in need of friend," the turtle asked. To the deer, the deer said, "Yes." The turtle, the crow and the rat look at each other and smile. "Although we were just 3 friends, so far we fooled the deer. Become friends with them," said by the turtle. The next day, all 4 of them went in different directions to look for food. By the evening, they used to meet at the same spot. Everything continued the same way for a few days. One day, the deer didn't return in the evening due to the other 3 friends getting worried. The sun almost set. "Why hasn't the deer yet returned?" the turtle said. The crow said, "Yes, he have been back now. We must look for him." The crow said, "No, not you too. I can fly. Thus I may have a wider view and will be able to touch quickly." The crow took off to search the deer. After wandering a while, the crow heard a voice. He gazed down and saw the deer is trapped in a net. The deer said to the crow, "Dear friend, please help me get out of here." The crow said, "Don't worry, let me think of something." Without wasting time, he backed to the turtle and rat who were waiting for him. The crow told them the whole situation and said the rat, "Before the hunter returns, my friend, come with me. No trap with your sharp teeth." The crow and the rats reached the spot. The rat quickly gnawed the net. The deer was freed. The turtle also reached and asked to the deer, "You are okay, my friend?" The deer said, "Yes, I'm fine. All of you saved me." Suddenly the hunter returned and saw the deer free. The rat saw the hunter and said, "Run! Run away!" The crow flew away. The rat ran to the nearest hole. The deer sprinted inside the bushes. The turtle, however, could neither run nor hide. The hunter caught the turtle, put him in a bag, and took him away. After some time, the deer, the rat, and the crow gathered at one place. They were very sad about the turtle. Suddenly, the crow said, "I have a trick to which the turtle can be saved." The hunter is alone and we are 3. He hasn't reached the river yet. The crow explained the history and how it has to be executed. When they reached the lakeside, according to the crow, the deer pretended to be dead, and the crow pretended going out the deer's eyes. The rat was waiting in the bushes for the right moment. The hunter approached the spot and saw the deer lying dead. He said, "Wow, my deer!" The hunter got greedy and went ahead to catch the deer. As soon as the hunter moved away the sack, the mouse went near the bag and started gnawing it. The hunter came closer to the deer. The crow flew away and the deer got up and ran away. The hunter failed to understand what was happening. By now, the rat had freed the turtle from the bag. They immediately rushed towards the bushes. The hunter came back disappointed to pick up his bag, to find out the bag was broke into pieces. The turtle had escaped. The hunter felt distressed. On the other hand, the turtle, the deer, the rat and the crow reunited with happiness. Union is strength. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.